The purpose of the business class series is to teach you the basic knowledge of how to make a lot of money ethically. How to make a lot of money ethically. It will show you how to create a business from nothing, grow a business, and correct a business. You will learn each and every one of the 105 basic parts of the business, and since knowledge equals income, the more you will learn, the more income you will have. It's inevitable. Most people learn how to be a doctor, how to be a hairdresser, how to be a dancer, how to be something technically, and they know this part. This is 14% in the best case of the whole business. So even if you are 100 million% the best in that area, you have only 14% of the business. You will fail. That's why most people think that if he's a good cook, he will be a good businessman, he will make money. No. If he's a good chef, he's not going to be rich. If he's a good dancer, he's not going to be rich. If he's a good doctor, he's not going to be rich. If he's a good engineer, he's not going to be rich. Even if he's an amazing programmer, he's not going to be rich, because you need all the 105 parts. If you don't, you will fail.